All right, welcome back, everybody. Welcome to Learn Forex with Ace. This is Samande, and today's video, I'll walk you through what we call market outlook. This is what we do every weekend, every Sundays. We know we come to the market like this to tell you what is possible of happening into the market, possibility of what should be expecting. We predict, we give you an accuracy prediction and faithfully and amazingly, it has been playing out well and perfectly. I did a separate video on last week recap how we gave out six trade and everything played out accurately and perfectly well. So if you're just watching me for the very first time, I want to urge you to stay by. If you haven't subscribed, can you please subscribe to this channel? And of course, if you feel like joining our family on Telegram, we have a family on Telegram where we drop signals. This week, signals alone, we had about 19 signals. We lost just one. 3 weeks back to back, we had winning streaks. And our winning streak was tampered with this week loss. We had just one loss. And that was 20 trades, 19 wins, and one loss. That's how many percent. You can comment on this. You can do the comment section on the drop the percent on the comment section. What you think by that? If you have 20 trades, you lost one and you win 19. What's that? What's the percent of that? Let me know in the comment section. So, as we all know, let's go into the market for this new week. Of course, I've gone through all of those pairs. We have an amazing week, and they're going to be a sweet time for this new week. But first pair for this new week is what we call GBPJPY. I'm seeing a good shot. This is a sweet pair. You can see that the market stopped here and had a correction. After the correction, there's a mongol sold. Now the mongol selling is now retesting. Now, I'm expecting it to do what we call head and shoulder at 4 hour time frame here. It stopped here, then it reacted. Then I'm asking to come here and do the what head and shoulder pattern. This is the head and this is the shoulder. Let me do it very well for you so you can see, so you can know what I'm talking about, guys. So I'm typically expecting it to come and do what head and shoulder for me here and give me an entry confirmation candle. Then we can enter. We can find our entry somewhere around here because I still believe this is still a push after this break in this for closure. This is a very, very good confirmation for a buyers are still into the market. This is a cool. So I still believe it's going to push down to this point. Then we'll find an enter shoulder. Then we'll find our entering on USDJPY as a short. Remember, any trade we give you here, a trade that's going to be happening for the whole of the week. So this short activation could come on Tuesday, could come on Monday, could even come on Wednesday. You can tell. But once it starts, in my dear, it's going to run throughout the week for you. And imagine you getting it at a sniper entering and making about 600, 500, 1000 pips just a week. Why not join our Telegram so that you can always just get access to some of these trades for free? So that is for that, guys. The next one is this. My next pair for this new week is what we call GDP card. We are already selling on this. We are already selling on this, and then of course the buy sell to still continue. Remember, I gave you this last week buy. We gave you this upper week. I gave you this upper week. So it just keep happening after the other. So I see when trade we come here, we give you what's going to be happening for the whole of the week. So anytime you find your entry, just keep buying. This one is going to be doing a possible sell, but I'm quite convinced that it might stop here. I'm quite skeptical. I'm quite skeptical that the stop might stop here. This trend line, yeah, it might stop here and then buy, change buyers. However, whichever way, if it does, we want to be communicating on the group for you. So in case you're not in the Telegram group in our family, kindly join right now or ask for the link. Any of our support will send it to you. Okay. So that is on that. Aside from that, we're also looking the third trade for the new week is what all these trades are quite clean and sweet, guys. I love them. I love it. When I said I love it, I love it so much because they are clean enough and sweet. Can you see this pattern again on CADJPY? We can see that there is what we call market structure, market change of structure at this point. This is the highest we ever had, and this is the lowest at the moment. After we came down to do a lower low, a high high, lower low, a higher high again, and we are still what, touching my trend line. However, with this trend line, I'm still not convinced. Market should begin to have its rejection at this point. But with the look of it, I am suggesting, or I am hoping that there must still be a liquidity grab at this junction. Then I'll be willing to buy. But if it does its reversal at this point, I will draw my stuff to come and enter at this point. They will long, they will short rather till the end of the week. You know me, I'm a swing trader. Once I see opportunity that will give me 600, 500, 400, 1000, that's what I target. I don't know how to scalp 40, 30, 50, 50 pips. I'm not good at that. So that is on that, guys. So stay key, stay tuned and still calm. I want you to join our Telegram or stay join on the notification bell on YouTube so that I can always get notified as well. Another one for the new week is this. This one we have been making it, and I also still did a video around it for you guys over the week, and of course, and I believe many of you guys made money with that. EURGP, GDP, yeah. It started the buy already. I told you, I held this for about 1 week, guys, and the buying started yesterday. During the closure of the market on Friday, and of course, I believe the buy should still extend to at least this point or this point. Awesome. So just look for a retest. Once the market do the retest, join in to buy this, and you're gonna be doing that for the whole of the week to long this till the whole of the week. That is fifth trade. They are so clean. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. These traders too clean. They are too clean. They are too clean. I love what I'm saying, guys. I love what I'm saying, guys. So the next one for the new week is GBPUSD as well. Let me show you. You can see the change of some correction at this level. First bounce, second bounce, third bounce. The market pull, push, engulfed all of these 4-hour candlesticks and the daily candlestick rather. Daily close above all of this and engulfed it. This is the retest. Now, just look for your entering at what GBPUSD now. Now, this retest should still come back here and stop here, then drop a week here. Any week at drop, it should trying to enter that week, then milk to this point or above it. Am I talking to somebody? Let me show you very well so I can know when to enter. This is fully, this should also come back here, then do something around there, double bottom, then go in and milk, guys. Another one, the sixth trade is also what? Euro USD as well. I'm still looking for a long on this trade. Let me show you on the longer time frame what is happening right now. I will tell you what is happening and what's going to happen. What has happened, what is happening, and what's going to happen. That is it, yeah. So that's why our strategies is the simplest you can ever see out there. Anybody can comprehend, anybody can understand, anybody can relate. So you can see the change of structure on the daily time frame and the daily close above this engulfing 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs. That is a powerful engulfed. So market engulfed and right after the engulfed, the daily engulfed, even showing power engulfed, and the market is allowed to retest. I can see what we call a pin bar on my cycle level. This is a strong confirmation. So I still believe any pull, a little bit pull that may want to enter, just a pull, a little bit pull. This we actually been making it already, so I should have another entry at this point. Then we can further go for a long. That is on that. Another one, guys. Today, this week is so sweet, guys. Another one is what GBPJPY. GBPJPY. I'm looking for a shot. Let me tell you why I'm looking for a shot. I'm looking for a shot. You can see the pattern higher, low, lower, high, higher, high, lower, low, higher, high, lower, low. At the point of where market is beginning to have a resistance to take away this high. Aside from that, it came back again to still tell me that I am still unable to take this high, showing what a double top. Now, what I'm expecting is what a something around here that will what give a confirmation entry or do a little bit of liquidity grab to honor this liar's eye, but never take it away, then come back and sell. So I'm still looking for what a short on what GDPJ. Don't forget, all of this could happen at any time. It could happen on Tuesday or Monday, anytime. But when this happens, it's going to be a selling or buying for the whole of the week, guys. That is why our signals is very, very sweet. It's good for swing traders, day traders, and scalpers because you can keep scalping every day and by day with test and make your money throughout the week. We have given you an insight what will be happening. And that's exactly what's going to be happening. Bookmark this, of course, or whatever you may do. Of course, some of our guys who knows already that wants to give trades and lifestyle like that, it will definitely play it out accordingly, guys. It's left to you to just handle it well and know how to go about it. So, in case you don't know how to handle it well, you can join us on Telegram and repeat so that we can always guide you. And of course, put you on the track and then whenever you're executing, you're as well executing as well with us and you're making money along with us. I hope you learned something today. I hope you gain something from this video. More importantly, let me know any of those pair, any of those ones that you will be taking, the one that looks clean to you and you believe that you'll definitely be executing them along with us. Let me know in the comment section right now. And thank you. Bye for now, guys. Big up. Cheers, guys. Peace out.